Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. So today I have another video for you. What? I've been gone for a little minute. I know it's been like 2 or 3 days that I haven't been online, y'all, and it's just been hectic. It's just been hectic. But today, Manicure Majesty sent over some products. So thank you so much to Jamie and Lena for sending over some products for me. Today I'm going to be trying out Tik Tok method with their products. So I will definitely leave links down below for their website so you can go check them out. They have affordable acrylics. They can also be used as dip powders and so many cute things. So I just wanted to help them out. And yeah, you guys, so all the websites and everything will be in the description box down below. Now for this hack, it is from Tik Tok. And it's like a kind of hack that you don't need to file at the end. And if you're a beginner, you can definitely do it. Just kind of like the 1, 2, 3 go nails with gel, but this is with acrylic. It's so weird, but I don't know who sent it to me. One of my subscribers sent it to me in my DM on Instagram, and she was like, please, please, please try this method out. And I tried it. It works. It's amazing. I love it. And I'm not mad at it, you guys. And I feel like it's going to last 2 to 3 weeks, which is amazing. So yeah, you guys, all I did was prep my natural nails. And then I ended up prepping the nail tips, the inside. When I seen the TikTok video, she didn't prep them. But I decided to do it anyways because I kind of felt like it was going to lift off, which it isn't. I guess it doesn't happen. That's why you don't have to prep the nail tips. These aren't actual nail tips. These are full cover nail tips. I know in the last video you guys were asking me where did I get them from, and they are from Amazon. I've gotten them so many years ago. I just don't remember the link, but I would try to link something similar to it so you guys can go and get them. But yeah, you guys, so I just did this and I just filed the inside, and that's all that I did. And I'm just going to be doing that to all of them. As you can see, I'm just using a fine sanding bit. You can use a nail file if you don't have a nail drill to prep your natural nails, and also you don't need to prep the actual nail tips. I just did it just because, but you don't have to do that. She didn't do it in the TikTok video, so you don't have to do it on that. I'm just adding some primer, which she didn't do also, so if you want to add primer, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. And then I'm just going to go in with the acrylics from Manicure Majesty, and they are beautiful, you guys. The pearly white one that I'm using is so beautiful, and I was just showing you the colors right there. That's why I was kind of going back and forth just to show you the white one and the clear. And the white one and the clear, the white like clearish one, and then like the milky one kind of has like iridescent glitters, and then the pink one is so beautiful. It has like stars in it. It's just so beautiful. So I did kind of like an ombre spacey type of look with some nail foils. And yeah, you guys, so that's all that I did. This is it, and that's it. And I just went, I checked underneath to make sure that it wasn't spilling all over the place. They're nice and thick. They feel like acrylic nails, and they last 3 weeks, it said in the thing, or 2 weeks, something like that. I wish I knew the subscriber that sent me this hack video. I know another subscriber sent me one of polygel, which I will do. So stay tuned for that one. But yeah, the acrylic one was sent to me also from a subscriber, and I'm so glad because it really works and it's bomb. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to file. You don't have to do none of that. It's literally just you popping on some nails and going about your day, going about your business. I love it. I love the style of it. I love that you can encapsulate things if you wanted clear nails and then paint over it. Like, I just love it. It's no hassle, no nothing. I literally did this set in under 5 minutes. Of course the video shows more, but I could literally probably do the whole set in under 15 minutes, like both my hands, and just design it and just everything, and throw on some top coat. I just love this method, so I definitely recommend this TikTok method. It is bomb. I recommend it. I'm all for it. I'm here for it. I'm living for it. It is it. But again, you guys, I'm sorry I've been missing. My regular uploading schedule will start again this week. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel also. And yeah, you guys, subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe bell, hit that notification bell to be notified each time that I upload, even though YouTube doesn't like to notify you guys. But either way, just hit it, and give this video a nice big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget that me and my husband have a vlogging channel, which is bomb.com, and we have lots of animals that you will enjoy. We have a feeding video coming up very soon, so if you want to see that, definitely go and subscribe and comment and like and share. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.